Hello all, Bob Pisani on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. The day after big market volatility, we're getting it today, Art. The S&P is moving in a 55-point range today, and we're kind of flat at the moment, but this thing could go either way. Any sense of how we might end up?
Yeah, this is a classic format of zigzagging and attempting to build a bottom process here. You've had the volatile selling, and now you're zigzagging back and forth. They looked like they were going to go down and try and retest the opening lows. They didn't do that. So the next familiar pattern that markets do in this process is to see if they can build a little series of higher lows and higher highs. If we fail that, then we're going to do testing and retesting. But we look for almost day-long volatility here, but it's part of what looks like the beginning of a bottoming process.
Yeah, we had sort of a somewhat panicky open. I know we were down,
The futures were down 500.
Yeah.
We opened down a couple of hundred and quickly reversed and got back to the plus side. But it's not time to go into celebration mode quite yet. We did a little damage here, and we've got to repair.
What's funny about all of this, and hard to explain if people won't follow the markets, is that all this happened sort of independent of any of the real risk factors that we've been talking about. You and I have been talking about inflation risk, concerns about the Fed raising rates, or valuation risk, the market's been pricey, or even political risks about what's going on in Washington. All these risks are very real, but nothing happened yesterday. No headline happened that actually moved the market.
Well, no, but what happened was internal. You had a lot of these leverage products, the inverse VIX funds and things like that, and they absolutely imploded. I mean, one of them went from $120 fair value in the evening to $4.50 the next day. So some of the sponsors are beginning to liquidate them. That's one risk factor that's not going to be out there. So that's helpful in forming a bottom too.
Okay. We don't know how this is going to go from here, but as Art mentioned, there are some signs of some selling climaxes, certainly a lot better than it was in the middle of the day yesterday. He's here every day talking with us about the markets, exclusively CNBC.com. Have a good one.
Take care.